Okay, I gotta get a drink.
Here we go.
I shall now burp.
That's wrong. She's just sucking that sucker.
Okay, that's all.
Let me try.
My turn.
Wait.
There shall be more later.
Fine. Don't burp. I can't do it.
Ow! Me.
Knock it off.
Wait, I think I feel one coming on. Oh, wait, it's gone.
You want to try, Alex?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm pleasant.
Oh, please.
You're such a girl.
I can't do it.
Okay.
You're chicken. Bop, bop. I don't have any Sprite. What did you say to that?
I want Sprite. Nick's not doing it.
I want Sprite. I just burped a watermelon.
Oh.
Now that's just gross.
I'm gonna go pee my pants. My bag. What happened? Find the here. If one of the grown-up calls for anyone, I'll go over.